Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.1, Problem 10. This is Section 3.1, Problem 10. It says write the fraction as a decimal, and we have 9 and 244 over 10,000. So, to write it as a decimal, of course, the 9 in front of the fraction will be the same number in front of the decimal, will be 9 point something. Well, point what? The numerator has to be part of the decimal, and you need to have as many zeros after the decimal as you have, or as many places after the decimal as you have zeros in the denominator. So this denominator has 4 zeros, so the numerator only has 3 digits. So I have to start with a 0, then put the numerator 244, and that gives me 9.0244. This way I have 4 places after the decimal that matches up with my 4 zeros in the denominator of the fraction.